Hi, Nat here at Shoes of Hollywood again for another shoe fitting and review. So we've got a really gorgeous pair today which I'm excited about. These ones are a 5-inch and a single sole. So we'll pull them out first. That's the first one. These are gorgeous shoes. Some of you might remember that I've already done a review on these shoes in their cream colour. These are the same ones in black, and they've got this cute bow on the back which just makes the whole shoe, it's so pretty. Very excited to be trying on the black ones. And there's the other one as well. I'll put them on. The other one as well. The toes are a little bit stuck on the rubber. There we go. Okay. My favourite part is the bow on these shoes. So these are just absolutely beautiful. You can wear these with anything. As you can see, they match my dress. I wore them with pants last time and they worked really beautifully as well. So you can wear these on a night out. I mean, if you want to, you can even just wear these shopping, because why not? We're allowed to do that. So yeah, if you like these shoes, please leave a comment, tell us about them, tell us your favourite part of them as well. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel too, and we'll give you some more reviews. And it's such a beautiful day outside today. It's still the middle of winter here, and it is about 28 degrees Celsius. You gotta love Queensland. It's the best place to be. So these were a 5-inch heel with a single sole. And they're just so pretty. So gorgeous. And that's those ones. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do subscribe, leave us the comments, tell us what other shoes you would like to see as well, other styles or colours, and we'll try to see what we can do for you. We'll see you next time.